Hi guys, and welcome to Neutral.X360. This is where you unlock the market. Today we'll be talking about time frame. I still get people still having this strong issue about time frame and how they can navigate through it. Like I said before, I said your time frame is like your compass in the chart. All right, your time frame is your compass, whereby it tells you everything already and what you actually need to do. Okay, so today we'll be getting on the chart. Okay, sorry guys about this market. So this is what I was actually teaching some of my students at the online class we did. I think 2 days back, whereby I discussed how to enter with a pullback, how to add to a winning position. So this is how we did it. But over here today we'll be talking about time frame. Okay. So today we'll be talking about the statement called time frame. Fuck that, man. Fuck that. Okay. We're talking about time frame, whereby we said the time frame is like our compass, right? If we say the time frame is like our compass, that means everything we are doing on the chart is supposed to be following the time frame. Okay. For me, I'm a day trader. All right, and I keep telling everybody, like, if you are coming into this space, make sure you know that okay, this is what I want to do, this is type of trader I want to be, and this is what I'm aiming for. Like I said on my last video, that is the third video I uploaded about Forex, I said, if you can go back to that video and recall, I keep saying it, Forex is a lifestyle game, and your time frame actually determine your lifestyle. If you say yes, you want to be quick, you go for scalp. If you say you want to be okay, let me be a little patient, you go for day. But if you say okay, you have that patience, go for the swing. That's how time frame works. Okay, for me, I already know my own style of trading, which is day trading. Okay, I know my style of trading, and which is day trading. And people actually are humans. We humans don't actually get this good understanding on good listening and how to act on good listening. We just act, just the name of acting. If I think I got this from my friend who came by at my last physical class I did, whereby he gave a speech out there, was saying he did learn about Forex in just 2 weeks because he's a good listener. Okay, and also I saw his work, I was like, wow, that's good. Same thing here. So whereby I said, for me, I'm a day trader, which I said our 4 hours will be for our direction, right? 4 hours will be for our direction. Then if the 4 hours is telling us, okay, this is our direction, what does that tell us? It means we are using it for direction only, like we are marking it direction only. That's it for this, that's it for the 4 hours. It's for direction only. Okay guys, then for our 1 hour and stroke 30 minutes, our 1 hour and stroke 30 minutes, this actually tells us about our analysis. This is what we call our analysis time frame. So if we are doing anything on the chart, this is where I'll be staying at, because sometimes the 1 hour won't be able to give you clear structure, or sometimes the 1 hour will be able to give you clear structure and you'll be able to refine it with your 30 minutes, right? Since 1 hour and 30 minutes our analysis time frame, so that's where we'll be. Okay, that's my analysis time frame. There's where I'll be able to analyze the chart. For directional purpose, you stick to direction. Okay, I want to know where is this chart going. Analysis, you do your analysis and refine your zone with this. Okay, then also we'll be moving down to the 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes, this will be for our entry. Okay, what do you guys say, guys? Entry. Okay, so if your 4 hours is for your direction, your 1 hour is for your, and your 30 minutes for your refinement, so your 15 minutes your entry. They call it entry, means anytime before once price get to your analysis zone where you analyze, then you now go skip down to your entry zone to wait for extra confirmation, guys. These are time frame works, and I don't see what's really or actually difficult about it. Once you actually put your mind into this game, you actually know about this. This is a very simple game whereby all this is just in a frame of telling you, letting you know, okay, this is where you need to be. There's a lot of options on the chart, okay, whereby we have the months, the weeks, so with you knowing the kind of trader you want to be and the kind of style of trading you feel like doing, then focus on the directional time frame, whereby for the scalpers their time frame is 1 hour, the 5 minute, 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and the 1 minute. Then swing trading, weeks, days, 4 hours, 1 hour. So stick to where you like and just stick to there and try to accumulate more on what you are doing than jumping from one today you be a scalper, tomorrow you be a swing trader. It doesn't work here, okay guys. And if you find this video very helpful to you today, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps this channel to grow further. So guys, this is the end of video of time frame. I hope you guys understand this video and enjoy this video. If you do, guys, do share this content to your loved ones so they can be able to know about this. There are people out there still struggling to know about all this, so now I'm breaking it down deep and deep and deep so you guys can get this level of understanding about how this works. Everything about Forex is just up and down, okay? It's just up and down. Same thing this time frame, they're up and down, whereby you analyze with the up, you go to the down, take your entry, and go back to the up again and set a target. Simple. Okay, see you guys on the next video, guys. Peace.